There's something revealing about living with a car for a month. So, not your usual test period, not a launch day, not under the best circumstances, but actually living with a car, especially over the school holidays. So it's trips to the beach, moving your broken scooter to the local scooter shop. No, I guess it's a bike garage, to have that repaired. That was a job. And then stuff like moving your firstborn son into his new house, and that's a lot of furniture, but not even a challenge for a van like this. And there's also the practical experience of removing all these seats. A lot easier than I thought it would be. Fuel economy was a rather pleasant surprise when we got hold of the car. It first was registering 9.3 liters per 100 Ks, which, if you consider the size of the vehicle and the fact that it's a 2-liter diesel, it didn't scare me off or anything. But I thought after the first refuel, we'd see how much we could get it down to while still driving it as though it was a real car and not sort of kid gloving the thing. And after the first tank, we brought it down to 8.3 liters per 100 Ks. And that, I thought, was quite remarkable for a car of this nature.
As we get closer to handing the Tourneo back, I'm already starting to feel the loss of its sheer versatility. This van really became a member of the family over the past month. Not only did it make life easier during our summer holidays, but it also spared our own vehicles from any extra wear and tear. It was a big, practical vehicle that held up under every challenge we threw at it, and I'll definitely miss that level of convenience. And here's the crazy part. Ford, a brand once synonymous with sedans, hatchbacks, and a variety of body styles, now only sells 5 vehicles: the Territory and Everest SUVs, the Ranger, the Mustang, and this, the Tourneo. It's wild to think that something as practical and family-oriented as the Tourneo now has to carry so much of the brand's legacy. It's doing a lot of heavy lifting, literally and figuratively. As a family car, it absolutely pulls its weight. It's spacious, comfortable, and more than capable of handling the demands of a busy family. If that's not a win, I'm not sure what is.
Overall, the Tourneo Custom Sport has been a fun companion, a real extension to the family, and the most compelling argument I've had for a van as a daily driver. And perhaps it's the fact that we had it for a month and really got to know what it's like, the convenience, the practicality, and also it's damn sexy to look at.
And while it's sad to let go of this particular custom, it's clear that Ford's got something special here, something that does a lot more than just carry people. It carries memories too.